I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, January 13th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. First, I want to apologize. I didn't really do it on purpose. I want to apologize for not giving you folks the wrap-up of the preview. I will have a YouTube preview tomorrow at 7 o'clock before U.S. retail sales, as well as Thursday. The rest of the week I'll be doing it. What a day. We nailed it again, except, my entries sucked. So we didn't get the bounce that I was looking for to get short. Everything worked under the sun. Aussie dollar collapsing, commodity currencies just getting taken out to the woodshed and shot. Remember, I always do my audio, and, my voice also, one of the reasons why my voice has been terrible, so, it hurts to talk, so. GlobalFXRadio.com is where you can get my audio version always. So if I don't do a YouTube, you can always check out Global FX Radio and get it there. That's at 5 o'clock. I post it, usually. But again, the euro dollar, a very big day today in the euro, could not hold up. It was trying to hold the golden retracement. Look at the Fibonacci. It took out the 61.8. I mean, this euro took it out. We're going lower. We are going lower. It certainly looks that way to me. Down, doobie, down. I think tomorrow we reverse. I know, listen, I thought turnaround Tuesday. I thought today was the day. Maybe it's tomorrow. U.S. retail sales are going to be abysmal. An abomination. Beige book is going to show disaster. So I would really think at some point the U.S., the dollar reversed. This rally is a little ridiculous. And I think that when you look at the numbers, when you look at what's going on in the world, obviously it's not good, but still, more panic. Obama comes into office next week. Next week, baby. But my best guess is that we probably hold this line here. On the euro. Excuse me. Maybe come in a little bit more, make a new low, and then reverse, something like that. So I think this euro probably going to retest tonight. Industrial production numbers coming out of Eurozone, they're going to be horrible. Just horrible. Disasters across the board. Dollar, yen. Dollar yen's dojing a little bit, holding up very well today. Big sell-off late in the day. Stock market made new lows. And sure enough, dollar yen melted down. But, it looks like it's trying to hold a little bit. I think dollar yen, if it gets over 90.20, might have even more of a bounce. Listen, what if those retail sales are better than expected? How would that be? Imagine that. So retail sales, if they're better than expected, I would imagine that we could certainly see the dollar explode on that. I don't think it's going to happen, but you never know. Just like the lotto, you never know. So should retail sales better than expected, which I don't see that happening, I would look for dollar yen to explode. So keep your eye on that. Sterling dollar continues to collapse. Head and shoulders. Look at this gorgeous head and shoulders I brought to your attention. In the moment, people. How in the moment were we? It doesn't get any better than that. Head, well, shoulder, head, right? Downtrend neckline. Bye-bye. So I think this cable's probably going lower. I think sterling is probably going to go lower before it goes higher. Ireland thinks that London's doing this on purpose to get the pound down. Interesting. Euro sterling daily chart. Trying to push higher, baby. I got to tell you, I'm looking to get short. Any rally up to like 92. The problem is Fibonacci. I'm probably early. We call the bottom fairly well, but I'm a little nervous that I'm early. That we're going to hit the fib. The first fib is 92. So 92 is the spot. Euro sterling gets to 92, Dump. Get the dump truck out there and start loading up and sell. Sell, Mortimer. Sell. Euro yen. I gotta tell you, dollar not acting very well right now. I'm acting very well right now. Euro's coming in late in the session. Look at this euro yen. Straight down. Look at that wedge. Just drilling. Now, today was also a very significant event because look what happened. I'm sorry. Hang on. Let me get to that. We are busting through this major support level. I mean, we cracked through here. It's over. Sayonara. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So this euro yen, with retail sales looming, it's going lower, baby. We might even test 113. Sterling yen. How about that loonie yen? How about the Aussie yen? I mean, everything yen. We couldn't have been better, baby. Who is your daddy? Look at this sterling yen. New lows. New multi-decade lows. Look, 10 years. New 10-year low. No soup for you. So don't tell me that. It's just, let me tell you. 130 to 140 says 120. We're going to 120. It freaking looks that way. Yes, Sariba. We might bounce a little bit tonight. To the downside, people. To the downside. Let's look at loonie, Aussie yen. So I love the Aussie to the downside now. Let's take a look at that. Again, remember, no more 3-month deal on my website. No more premium for 3 months at 400. I may initiate a different one. It's not going to be as generous as this one. The end of the month, it's gone. Gone. No soup for you. So check it out. 3-month deal, $400. You do very well with that. And, you know, I might do a 2-month deal for 300. You know, so you can still, I'm still going to give you a deal, but not like this. Last month for it. Again, any questions, feel free to email me at info, at globalfxradio.com. I appreciate all your nice emails giving me all these. I must have 5 different methods for solving laryngitis. I know what I got to do. I got to stop smoking. It's the only answer. So again, look at this Aussie yen. Looks terrible. Industrial production out of the Eurozone is going to be disaster, in my opinion. Along with U.S. retail sales. So which is worse, you know? So I think Euro sterling, should it rally, is going to be a great short to the downside. Aussie yen melting, again, coming up to a major channel line with the support busting through. I really thought we'd have turnaround Tuesday. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. Relentless selling. Incredible. Just incredible. Listen, the stock market is going lower. Lower, 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 lower. Dollar index. Let's take a look at that. Because this is a very crucial spot, too, in the dollar index. I wanted to bring that to your attention. Because the dollar index, if we do our Fibonacci, wow, I'm actually going to do a short show today. I've never done a short show. From the high to the low. Look at where we stalled today. That's a bad tip. That's a bad tip. Look at where we stalled. Should the dollar index bust through this level, and we're through the golden retracement, it's going to get ugly. UGLY. Very ugly. So, who knows what's going to happen? I mean, this euro breaks through 130. I mean, Europe takes out today's lows, going lower. I'm out of here. Love you all, baby. Andrew Spanton. Global FX Radio. The only voice you will ever need in Forex, people, that prints you money. We made so much money. I lost a little money today, but I mean, 6 days in a row. And I'll tell you, if we hit the entries, it would have been such an incredible day. I still can't believe our entries didn't hit. What are you going to do? It would have been 7 for 7, retarded. Global FX Radio, the only voice you will ever need in Forex. Boris and Kathy, please. That makes you money. Have a good one. I had to do it. I couldn't help myself.